Hello Virgo, this is your monthly love reading, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. If you have in your birth chart in Virgo, then this is the reading for you. Please keep in mind that energy can go both ways, so take it as however it resonates. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe my channel King of Cups Tarot. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can email me. Email ID is given in the description box. Let's do your reading. The Star, Eight of Wands, Queen of Wands, Queen of Swords, Four of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, Page of Cups, Justice, Eight of Cups, High Priestess. Bottom of the deck is Fool. Sign, I will tell you. Sign is here. We have Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Every sign is present here. Specifically, we do have Aquarius, Aries and Libra, Pisces. Okay, these are the signs who are specifically here. So first of all, I will tell you about the bottom of the deck. We have the Fool, that is the new beginning in your love, and you're taking the risk. Okay, this is the relationship in which you are not clear about the person you are dealing with right now or you are interested in. Okay, so you have most of those who are watching this reading right now, they are having crush on somebody. Okay, and you are about to take the risk, and first of all, I think you want to actually present them a relationship, or they also can be in this energy. Okay, so this person actually wants to take a leap of faith with you, and they want to take a risk, and they want to start a new beginning, because this is the Fool energy. Fool energy is the new start. Okay, so this is the thing. So just below we have Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups represent here the new beginning in love, that is the overflowing emotions which will be presented to you. They will be explain it to you, that how they feel, how they keep in their heart. Okay, so what is the intensity of love, they will explain it to you. Everything they will tell you, and they might be in the very long distance relationship, it can be, and or maybe this person is very far, and they want to travel towards you, and they want to tell you that they want to offer you something, and that offer is of love. Okay, so there is happiness involved in this situation, so somebody is coming, and it will make you very happy. Okay, so let's start your reading. We will see what August will tell you. Here we have the Star card. Okay, so you might be dealing with a Cancer card. I think Cancer also is have that card on the first position, but I don't remember exactly. So the Star card is here. That means ki this person actually dreams about you. They dreams about you, they wish about you, that they every time they are wishing that they want to be in a relationship with you. They ask universe every time that they are manifesting you. They ask universe that every time they ask universe, they ask you. Okay, so they are wishing that between you two the new relationship will start, and they are hoping that sometimes in their life you will be a part of his life or her life forever. Okay, so they want it. So there is a back and forth communication as well. So this person may want to message you, or they already message you, or they will message you definitely, because here eight of wand represent here that the relationship between the two is based on the social media also, and it can represent the back and forth communication. It can also represented as the travel. Okay, so he or she may travel towards you, and then they will tell you about their feelings. So it can happen according to your situation. Okay, so anyway, this communication is coming, eight of wands. Okay, so sometimes it is called as a arrow of love. Okay, so they want to give you a clear picture of their feeling. Okay, so here we have queen of wands. So it is your energy. They see you and see you in this energy. Basically, they see you as the person who is very attractive, and they see you as a very powerful person, which which is attracted by many, which is admired by many people, and people admire you from afar, as well as they want to be connected with you. They actually and wants to be in a relationship wise also, in relationship they want to be with you, these kind of things. So they see you as this kind of person with whom people want to be in a relationship with. Okay, so you are very attractive person towards them, to them, and they want, that's why they are coming towards you. Okay, but you are like, no. Okay, so queen of swords is here. So basically you are still hurt by your past. Basically your past was not good, because of that you have locked your emotion in, and you are not showing any emotion to anybody else, and you are very straightforward nowadays, and that's why people are easily intimidated by your behavior. Okay, so queen of swords is a card of straightforwardness, and you are not giving a clear, you are not giving them a lovey-dovey type of vibes. You are just very direct towards them, and you want to just tell everything directly. You are not want to hide anything. Okay, so very straightforward. So that's why they are intimidated by you basically. So they fear basically to confront you, but anyway they want to offer you this. Okay, this is four of wands. Four of wands is a marriage, commitment, long term relationship, stability. They want this with you. They want to celebrate the victory also. So they, because before this four of wands, actually three of wands comes. Okay, three of wands is a travel card as well. So they want to travel to get settled with you, or it may happen like they want to travel and then they want to celebrate with you this relationship. Okay, so they want to offer you this four of wands, that is a card of marriage. So you are getting marriage proposal this month, and this marriage proposal is very stable, because ace of pentacle is here. Ace of pentacle is a start of a new relationship, and this relationship is very stable. Grounded offer will be presented to you, and it can be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn person, or it may be any other person which I have told you before. So this person want to offer you a new beginning of a stable married life, or it is a very strong offer. Okay, so slowly this person will open up, maybe through messages, maybe through gestures. So some romantic gestures this person will show you, and some romantic vibes they will give you, and sometimes they will express little bit of their emotions towards you, and you will know basically what this person wants with you. So you will know. But the thing is here, still I see that your relationship, the past relationship, still you have bonded with you, okay, or some of you have already have contact with your person, past person, but it this relationship you are in with or you have dealt with before is about to end. Basically it is not completely end till now, so that's why you are not entertaining this person. You are, that's why some stuck energy also coming here. So justice card is here, so it represents the complete breakup from the past, okay. So to start a new beginning, basically, so justice card is here, that means you will get what you want, and the karma is coming towards you, basically, but positive karma. So whatever karma wants it to happen, it will happen to you, and if you did good karma, then it will give you a good result as well as, okay. So this is going to happen in August. So the other card is here is 8 of cups. So basically the official breakup, after the official breakup, I have seen you like you are actually drowning the any emotions of the past, because you already drawn most of the emotions, but one is left here, just you are just breaking free out of it, and you are going towards the new beginning, because here the dawn is coming, that means you are going towards the new beginning of this new relationship, okay. So you are just waiting for the 2 of cups, basically. So you are going in search of the 2 of cups, and you are not looking at the past, basically, because past is was very hurtful towards you, and it was unsatisfactory towards you, okay. So the last card is the high priestess. So in this month I have not seen that you are open up, basically this person is opening up, but you are not opening up. You are still becoming mystery towards this person, and this person see you as very silent, very gentle but silent, okay. This person want to know about that what you feel about them, but you are not showing it, okay. You will show them, but at the right time. So divine timing is at work, actually. So let's pull out the outcome card for you this month. Please give me an outcome card for this month for Virgo. King of Swords and Hierophant energy. So most of you are having that the Hierophant energy, so you are also ready for the relationship, which can go for long term relationship, marriage, commitment and all. So you are not looking for just a casual relationship, and the kind of relationship that hook up and all these kind of relationships, you don't want it, okay. You want a serious kind of relationship, and then that's why you are showing the cold side of you, okay. You are looking like a cold person for everyone, because you don't show your emotions exactly to the person, to the people who are approaching you. You just show you're just showing your cold side only, and that's why people are very intimidated towards you, okay. They are very intimidated by you, so that's the thing. So let's pull out the Queen of Moon oracles for you. One card, please. Blossoming, wow, and balance, okay. So balance is there. So here we have, in this month I am seeing that your emotions and your energy are getting balanced. So this is the month for healing, basically healing from the past, and to prepare you for the new beginning in your life, okay. So something is blossoming, some in your heart I am seeing that some person emotions for some person will develop, okay. So blossoming is the card for the new beginning of love, but it is inside, not outside. Okay, so it will create in your heart and it will grow like flower grow. Okay, flower blossoms. Okay, so this is the reading for this month. Please like, share and subscribe my channel King of Cups Tarot. And if you like to do personal reading with me, please book through email. Email ID is given in the description box. Thank you for watching.